Okay, problem number 4 from the 4-6 notes. What they're doing here is they're giving you a domain and a function. So here we go. It says the domain of this function is 1, 2, 3, and 4. What's the range? What? They are giving you the domain. Remember, those are the numbers that go in. So 1, 2, 3, and 4 are your x values, and they need to go in to this function, okay? And then the range is going to be the f of x. It's going to be the numbers that come out. Okay, so these numbers go in and these numbers come out. You could take your time and make a table and then plug in 1, plug in 2, plug in 3, plug in 4 times for your equation because you have 4 numbers that go in, so you have to do the equation 4 times. Or if you remember, we talked about this with the graphing calculators. What you can do in your graphing calculator is you can type that equation in, okay, and then go to the table, type in those 4 values, and then these 4 numbers should spit out. So let's do that really quick. So again, mine's gonna be a little more fancy than ones I have in class, but it's still the same button sequence. So I'm gonna go to y equals, I'm gonna type in negative 1.5x plus 4. That was the equation, right? Yeah, I forgot already. And then if I go to the table, I should have a blank table. If your table isn't blank, make sure you go to table set. You wanna have it be ask, because that's what I'm doing. I'm asking for the numbers and it automatically gives me the outputs. Ask for the inputs, automatically give me the outputs. Sure, human, put them in. 1, enter, 2, enter, 3, enter, 4, enter. There we go, done. So 2.5, 1, negative 0.5, and negative 2 are right there in my table, okay, that I made in my calculator, all right? So instead of having to do this 4 times, you could type it out once, throw those in the table, and then the range will automatically populate for you. I feel that's way more efficient. So let's see here, which one of these? Now, for some goofy reason, they organized them least to greatest. I mean, that's kind of a technical thing from my perspective. You don't have to. I don't feel like you should. But just know that some people like to organize their range least to greatest. So here's the least to greatest this way. So A is the only one that starts with a negative 2, so that's probably going to be my answer right there. I'm going to go and fill that in old school. Oh, man, I miss taking those tests. No, I don't. Here we go. The domain of g of x equals 4x minus 12. Oh, I'm going to type that in. I'm going to put those answers in my calculator in the table. So here we go. 4x minus 12, huh? Let's go to y equals. How about 4x minus 12? Delete all that extra noise right there. Okay, I got the equation. Let's go to my table. 1's already in there, so I'm going to hit enter. Oops. 1, enter. 3, enter. 5, enter. 7, enter. There we go. There's my range. Domain, go in, range, comes out. Negative 8, 0, 8, 16. That took hardly any time whatsoever. Negative 8, 0, 8, 16. So again, there's a purpose. There was a purpose. We went over this the other day. I wanted to teach you some calculator skills. Well, now is payday, y'all. All right, bye-bye.